You might be wondering, where does lemon essential oil come from? How do we use lemon essential oil? Or even what blends well with lemon essential oil? In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions, and I'm going to share my favorite tips in using lemon essential oil with you. I'm Caroline Lee, an essential oil educator and mother of 4 amazing kids. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for more than a decade, and I'm so very passionate about what I do because what I do matters. It has the power to change people's lives, just like it changed my own. I'm really excited to tell you more about a lemon essential oil, but before I jump in, I'd like to invite you to stick around to the end so you have a chance to access my free Essential Oils Beginners Workshop. You can also grab my free Diffuser ebook that covers the top 10 essential oils. Before I jump in this video, though, I would love to hear your favorite ways of using lemon essential oil in the comments below. Lemon essential oil has a variety of uses and benefits. With a clean, fresh citrus aroma, lemon is known for its purifying properties and also to support a healthy respiratory function. Where does lemon oil come from? Essential oil is cold compressed from the rind of the fruit. Here's a fun fact for you though. In 1 year, a single lemon tree has the potential to produce between 500 and 600 pounds of lemons. The primary constituent of lemon essential oil is limonene, which is a very popular ingredient in household cleaning products. What is lemon essential oil used for? Cleansing, energizing, emotionally invigorating. Lemon is the perfect oil to diffuse for encouraging a positive mood. Taken internally, lemon can assist with seasonal respiratory discomfort and provide cleansing and digestive benefits. What blends well with lemon? Spearmint, ginger, eucalyptus, rosemary, and neroli are all great essential oils to blend with lemon. Here are my top usage tips for lemon essential oil. Add 1 drop of lemon essential oil to your glass of water for a refreshing drink that aids in digestion and naturally helps cleanse the body. Remember not to put it in a plastic, but in a glass or stainless steel cup. Add lemon essential oil to a spray bottle to clean your counters, your tables, and other surfaces. For a gentle furniture polish, simply add a few drops of lemon oil to olive oil on a cloth to clean and protect and shine wood finishes. Wipe down stainless steel appliances with a soft cloth soaked in lemon essential oil for a streak-free clean. My favorite diffuser recipe using lemon essential oil is 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of lavender, and 2 drops of rosemary. It makes the whole place smell clean and crisp. I love diffusing this in my bathroom and kitchen. What is my favorite way to use lemon essential oil? On sticky stuff and permanent marker. Remember, I have 4 kids. To purchase lemon essential oil or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. I would love to help you get started with your very first essential oil kit. And now, anytime you get started with us, you can get access to all of my courses and all the great information and the oil community that we have. Congratulations, it's freebie time. You made it to the end. I'll make sure you get access to my private Essential Oils Beginners Workshop. And you can do that by registering in the link below. I'm really excited to give you also a chance to grab my free diffuser ebook that covers the top 10 essential oils so you can start diffusing as soon as your oils arrive. The link is found in the description as well. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if I did a good job. Hit the subscribe button and please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation and talk more about essential oils that would be more specific for your health needs. You can also learn how to get 25% discount with me. Thanks again so much for watching, and keep oiling.